You've been saying that you want to start a digital product business, but between work, the kids, and life just lifing, it keeps getting pushed down to the bottom of your to-do list. Starting a digital product business has never been easier. You don't need a lot of money to start, and you don't have to spend hours and hours trying to figure it out. With the help of AI, it will help speed up the process and help you figure things out with way less stress. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact ChatGPT prompts you need to help you finally start your digital product business, to help you be on your way to start earning the extra income that you want. Hey friends, it's Tisha. I'm here to teach you how to use the online tools to help you create and sell digital products. So make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of this content. The first step is finding your digital product idea, and I know this is where a lot of you get stuck, is because I don't know what the heck to sell or what kind of digital product to create. You want to make sure that your digital product is solving a problem, and I'm not saying like to solve like world peace. It just needs to solve your customer's problem. People are willing to pay for solutions, and that can be access to information that they didn't have before, providing them a transformation, or something that's going to save them time. So here we are on the ChatGPT platform, and you just want to start entering in your prompts. So let's start with finding our digital product idea. You want to find a digital product idea that aligns with your knowledge and skills. The prompts that I use in this video, I will leave them down below in the description so you guys can easily copy and paste them. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in this prompt, and it's going to give me information based on the information that I feed it. So the more information that you give ChatGPT, the better the results that you would get. Okay, so here are a few ideas that it is generating based on the information that I entered. So it's giving me a full list of digital product ideas that I can choose from, and if I wanted to expand on any of these ideas, I can do that. The next step is finding your ideal customer. If you don't have the right people to sell your digital product to, you're not going to make any sales. And this is where I see a lot of people struggle, is that they're trying to market and sell their digital product to everyone instead of the people who actually need and want to buy their digital product. Now, another common mistake I see all over social media is that people are upset and complain when their friends and family aren't being supportive in buying their digital product. And I want to hold your hand when I say this, okay? Your friends and family should not be your ideal customers or target audience. If you are solely relying on your friends and family to purchase your digital products, you're not going to make the type of income that you want to make, because they're only probably going to purchase one time. They're not going to purchase over and over again. So what you need to do is make sure that you are finding the people who need and want your digital product. So to find your ideal customer, we're simply going to ask ChatGPT to give us information on our ideal customer. I'm going to enter our prompt. So ChatGPT is breaking down our ideal customer. They're letting us know who they are, their pain point, their desired outcome, who they are. And this is going to come in very handy when it is time to get ready to market and promote your digital product. A follow-up prompt that you may want to use is to find out where your ideal customer spends their time online. This is very helpful when you're trying to figure out where to start promoting your digital product. ChatGPT is giving us where our ideal customers are spending the majority of their time. Based on this ideal customer, the primary platform is Instagram, and it's just giving us a little bit of information about where they spend their time. And then if we keep scrolling, it also tells us how to reach them on each one of those platforms. So it's giving us example content that you can create to help you promote your digital product idea to your ideal customer. This next area is where I see a lot of people fail and give up when it comes to digital products, and that is marketing. You can't just create your digital product, sit back, and just wait for people to come and purchase your digital product. You actually have to market your digital product. And I don't care what business you have, you need to master marketing. The most successful businesses have marketing strategies in place that bring them in the sales that they want. Okay, so just remember this: if you're not marketing, you're not making money. So let me show you a prompt to help you develop a marketing strategy for your digital product business. So when it comes to our marketing strategy, you want to make sure that you include your goal with your prompt. If your goal is to make X amount of dollars, if your goal is to build your email list, if your goal is to build your following on your social media, you want to make sure that you include your goal with your prompt so that ChatGPT can give you a marketing strategy based on your goal. So let's use this prompt. So it is giving us information on how to define our sales goal. I want a marketing strategy that is low effort because I'm short on time. So it's giving me a couple of options that I can choose from. And so this is how you can actually start promoting and marketing your digital product. And it also gave us a breakdown of a weekly marketing plan. And this is very helpful when we are trying to schedule out our content. Number one reason why I see a lot of you not starting your digital product business is because you feel like you don't have the time to start a side hustle or start a business. And I understand you have work, you have the kids, you have everything that's on your plate. And so trying to add something on top of everything you have going on can be very stressful, and it's a lot. This is why you can use AI or use ChatGPT to help you create a plan and a schedule that fits you so you are able to start your digital product business. If you are super busy, you need to use ChatGPT to help you create a schedule that's going to fit into your current lifestyle to help you be able to build your digital product business in a time frame that works for you. So we can use this prompt, and I would suggest adding any additional time restraints that you may have if your kids are in after school activities. If your work schedule is not 9 to 5, maybe you work nights and weekends. Whatever your schedule is, you want to make sure that you include that with your prompt so ChatGPT can give you a schedule that is personalized to you. ChatGPT will give you a weekly schedule and what you need to do every day, and it also gives you estimated time so you can time block and get these tasks done so you can be consistent and productive in your digital product business. You have your digital product idea, you have your ideal customer, you have a marketing strategy in place, you have a schedule that fits your schedule. Next, you need to know where to sell your digital product. So the platform that I like to recommend is Pinsite. Pinsite is an all-in-one link in bio digital store where you can sell your digital products. Pinsite is super easy to use. You can customize and set up your digital product store in a matter of minutes. Pinsite is $29 per month, and you get access to all of their features, including email marketing, making it easy for you to build your email list. There are no transaction fees, keeping more of your profit in your pocket. To get started with Pinsite, use my link below and get 40% off your first 2 months. Now, if you're in a situation where you cannot afford the monthly fee of $29 per month, no worries. You can get started with Beacons. Beacons is another online platform that is super beginner friendly. Beacons offers a free plan that you can get started with. There's no upfront fee or monthly subscription fee with this free plan. However, there is a 9% transaction fee. You just pay that on the back end when you make a sale. So this is a way for you to get started without paying any money out of pocket. Okay, friends, so you have everything you need to start your digital product business. No more overthinking, no more waiting for the perfect time. With AI and the right tools, you can finally start your digital product business. So let me know in the comments that you're ready to start by typing the word start in the comments. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments as well. And to get a few digital product ideas, make sure that you check out the video on the screen. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.